Hello, it's Greg from Hearing Products International, and today I'm gonna to show you how to clear the memories on these two devices. So MinitechPro BT version and Echo BT transmitter. Occasionally you need to clear the memories on these two devices, especially if you struggle to pair them in some reason. So if you struggle to pair them, the easiest way to solve the problem is to clear the memories on these two. Okay, so let's start with MinitechPro BT. What you have to remember, you have to leave these two sockets, microphone socket and line input socket, empty, so don't plug anything to it, otherwise you won't be able to switch the Bluetooth function on. Secondly, what you have to do, you have to switch the MinitechPro on, so press and hold the button. This one is already on. As you can see, there is a green LED. Then secondly, locate the Bluetooth switch, which is right here. You can see the Bluetooth logo on top. So we've got a Bluetooth switch and the unit is on. Now what we have to do, we have to press and hold up the switch on side for around 12 seconds. So push up and hold for around 12 seconds, and you should be able to see that the LED will start to flash slower right now. Yeah, and now release the switch. So now the memory is cleared. It's blinking quickly now because the unit automatically went to pairing mode again. And now it's time to clear the memory on our Bluetooth transmitter. So from the off position, now the transmitter is off, you can't see any LEDs. So from the off position, locate the power button, which is right here, and press and hold the power button for around 12 seconds as well, until you see the orange LED. So it's green now. And now it's orange, which means the memory is cleared. Now these two units should pair automatically, and they just paired. As you can see, the blue LED on our MinitechPro BT is flashing slowly, and the small green LED on the transmitter is permanent green, solid green. That means that these two units are paired correctly and they are ready to use. Also, what you have to remember after clearing the memory, that if you had mobile phone, laptops, your TV paired with any of this before, you have to pair them again with the same devices, because we wiped out the memories. Then obviously you have to pair it again. Okay, so that's how you clear memory in these two devices, and if you struggle to pair them in some reason again, or if the memory is full, that's what you have to do. You have to clear the memory and they are ready to work again. Okay, so hopefully this video was very useful for you. If you've got any comments, if you've got any suggestions, what would you like to know about maybe other products, maybe about TV listeners, maybe about our alerting devices, then let me know, or comment below this video, or send us an email to info@hereforyou.com, or alternatively go to our website, which is hereforyou.com. Thank you very much and take care. Bye bye.